What's up? It's Sierra LaFay. Welcome to my channel. So this is going to be a quick video for my high porosity hair girls. These are some of the top products that I have used for my high porosity hair that has helped with growing my hair and getting it back into good health. So don't want to ramble too much. Entonces, vamos a empezar. Number one is the Olaplex products. I haven't gotten them in a little minute because they can be a little pricey when you are getting the shampoo, the conditioner, the number 3, the number 1. But I will say that has made one of the biggest difference in my hair health. My top 3 are the shampoo, the conditioner, and the number 3. But if I had to choose one out of those 3, it would definitely be the number 3. Now the number 3, you use it before you wash and condition your hair. It penetrates deep into the hair strands and really does a great job of helping to repair the hair back to health. Especially if you're a person with color treated hair or just simply damaged hair from overuse of heating tools. The number 3 from the Olaplex is going to help immensely. The next thing the high porosity hair loves is a balance of protein and moisture. So for your protein treatment, I absolutely love the ApHogee 2-step protein treatment. I recently did a video showing you guys how I do that treatment, so I'll make sure to have it linked below. But you want to do that treatment about once a month because your hair is protein. So the protein treatment is just going to help with making those hair strands stronger, minimize breakage, which is going to help with length retention. Another great one that I really love is by Green Beauty, I believe. It used to be sold on Amazon, but I believe she just sells it now on her website, so I'll make sure to have that one linked as well. That protein treatment I feel like isn't as much work as the ApHogee 2-step one. And because now we need that moisture balance, getting a steamer and or hooded dryer is going to make a world of difference in infusing whatever conditioner that you like to use for your hair into the strands, because what that indirect heat is going to do is open up your hair cuticle, and that moisture from the water and from the conditioner is going to go inside the strands, and then when you rinse your hair off with cold water, the strands are going to close shut, and those strands are now going to hold on to that water and conditioner that you have used. And that only works when you use indirect heat. So that's why I say getting a steamer and or hair dryer. If you had to choose, I would say do the hooded dryer, because you can use that with every single wash day, as opposed to a steamer. You only should be using that once a month. But just make sure that you're deep conditioning your hair with indirect heat. And I'll also leave an alternative. If you don't want to use a hooded dryer, you can use like a heated cap. So again, everything that I mentioned will be linked in the description box. I mentioned this quite a few times, so I'm just going to say this really quick. Coconut oil, coconut oil, coconut oil. It really helps to protect the hair and to minimize breakage, especially when I'm using it as a pre-poo treatment or when I am ready to moisturize my hair, and then I just put the coconut oil on top to help seal in that moisture. So just like I mentioned that the Olaplex is great for high porosity hair, another line I want to mention that I've actually got put on my hair for quite a few sets, and I actually grew up on this line, but it is Mizani. But their products have been really amazing for my high porosity hair, but from the shampoos, the conditioners, but even what I use to moisturize my hair without causing reversion. You can't go wrong, in my opinion, if you're using their products or if you're using Olaplex, with having really healthy, nourished hair by using those 2 lines. Now last but not least, if you struggle immensely with your hair constantly frizzing, it's probably a sign that you have high porosity hair. And a great thing to help with minimizing that frizz is getting a humectant. So with my understanding with high porosity hair is that the cuticles like to open up really quickly, and because of that it loses a lot of moisture, which causes the frizzing. So what the humectant is going to do is attract the moisture from the environment around you and insert that back into the strands to help with minimizing the frizz that you get. So the one that my stylist has used on me is by Aveda. It is the Brilliance collection, and I have gotten it and it really works well. Yeah, these are just some of the products that I like using for my high porosity hair. If you have high porosity hair or any porosity, feel free to let me know in the comment section below and what products that you like to use for it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until the next one, ciao.